So we have studied previously about this windstorm and cyclones. So just for revision, see these exercises we have solved. I'm just revising and then some question answers. Okay. Fill in the missing words in the blank spaces in the following statement. Wind is a dash dash air. Wind is a moving air. Winds are generated due to uneven heating on the earth. How winds are generated? When the uneven heating on the earth occurs, the winds are generated. Then, near the earth's surface, warm air rises up where the cooler air comes down. As the density of warm air is less, it rises up, and the density of cooler air is more. थंड हवा ही जास्त dense असते, तिची घनता जास्त असते. Hence, it comes down. Then air moves from region of high pressure to a region of low pressure. हवा ही नेहमी हाय प्रेशर कडून लो प्रेशर कडे वाहत असते. Then second question was suggest two methods to find out wind direction at a given place. दोन कोणत्या मेथडने आपण wind direction एखाद्या given place वर find out करू शकतो. That is take a piece of paper in your hand, allow it to fall from your hand. It will flow in the direction in which the wind is blowing. आपल्या हातातून आपण जर एक पेपरचा तुकडा सोडला तर तो ज्या दिशेने हवा वाहत आहे त्याच दिशेने वाहणार. Yes. Then you can also use a wind pen which help us to know accurate wind direction. Then third was state two experiences that made you think that air exerts pressure other than those given in the text. आपल्याला शिकवलेलं त्याच्यापेक्षा एक वेगळं एक्झाम्पल द्यायचं आहे आपल्याला की एअर ही प्रेशर एक्झर्ट करते. So statements are balloons and balls can be used only when they are inflated with air. बलून किंवा बॉल मध्ये एअर नसेल तर तुम्ही ते यूज करू शकता का? कॅन यू प्ले विथ द बॉल where air is not present? Can you use that balloon? No, we cannot. So when balloon is overfilled with air, it bursts due to excessive air pressure. So when we put more and more air inside a balloon, what happens that air exert a pressure on the walls of that balloon. ती हवा काय करते त्या बलूनच्या वॉल्सवर खूप जास्त प्रेशर एक्झर्ट करते आणि त्या एक प्रेशरमुळे द बलून गेट बस्ट. Compressed air is used in the brake system for stopping the trains. Then fourth one is you want to buy a house. Would you like to buy a house having windows but no ventilators? Explain your answer. Our answers will be no. We will not have the house having windows but no ventilators. Why? A house which has no ventilators is not safe or healthy house to live in. असं घर हे राहण्यासाठी सेफ नाहीये किंवा हेल्दी नाहीये. Why? Because the air circulation is not there in such house. So it has no fresh air. Air circulates होणार नाही तर fresh air येणार का? No. Ventilation नसेल तर fresh air येऊ शकत नाही. Because warm air rises up and goes out through ventilator and fresh air comes in through windows. जर व्हेंटिलेटर असेल तर जी गरम हवा आहे ती वर जाऊन आपल्या व्हेंटिलेटरच्या बाहेर जाते आणि विंडोतून फ्रेश ताजी हवा आत येत राहते आणि अशा प्रकारे हवेचं सर्क्युलेशन होण्यासाठी व्हेंटिलेटर अँड विंडोज बोथ आर इम्पॉर्टंट. ओके. देन फिफ्थ वन इज एक्सप्लेन वाय होल्स आर मेड इन हँगिंग बॅनर्स अँड होर्डिंग्स. जे बॅनर्स अँड होर्डिंग्स लावलेले असतात वी हॅव सीन मेनी टाइम्स. खूप मोठे मोठे बॅनर्स असतात आणि त्याला होल पाडलेले असतात. वाय इज इट सो? लेट्स सी. एअर एक्झर्ट्स प्रेशर दॅट वी नो. Due to this pressure, banners and hoarding flutter and torn when wind is blowing fast. मग या प्रेशरमुळे जेव्हा हवा खूप जोरात वाहत असते बॅनर आणि होर्डिंग हलतात, जोराने वाऱ्यासोबत हलतात आणि ते फाटण्याची शक्यता असते. Holes are made in banners and hoardings so that wind passes through the holes and they do not become loose and fall down. मग जेव्हा अशा बॅनर्सला होल्ड केलेले असतात तेव्हा हवा त्याच्यातून इझिली पास होते आणि त्यामुळे ते बॅनर किंवा होर्डिंगला डॅमेज करत नाही. सिक्स्थ वन वॉज how will you help your neighbor in case cyclone approaches your village or town? So what we will do in that case? I will make them aware of cyclone forecast and warning services, then rapid communication of warning to the government agencies and all the important places. Then construction of cyclone shelter in the cyclone prone areas and helping them to shift essential goods, domestic animals, etc. to the safer places. Then seventh one was what planning is required in advance to deal with situation created by a cyclone. So to deal with cyclone, it is important to follow the following points. Carefully listening and warning transmitted on TV and radio. Then moving to the safer places, keeping an emergency kit always ready with us. Store food in waterproof bags so that it cannot be affected. Not venturing into sea so that that can be very harmful for our health. Keeping all the emergency numbers ready with us. Eighth one is which one in the following place is unlikely to be affected by a cyclone? Chennai, Mangaluru, that is Mangalore, Amritsar, and Puri. The answer is Amritsar. And ninth one was which of the statement given below is correct? In winter, the winds blow from the land to the ocean. In summer, the winds flow from the land towards the ocean. A cyclone is formed by a very high pressure system with very high speed winds revolving around it. Then the coastline of India is not vulnerable to cyclone. Our answer is in winter, the winds blow from the land to the ocean. This was all about the revision. So, have you understood म्हणण्यापेक्षा जे काही शिकवलेलं आय थिंक द मंथ बिफोर इट मस्ट बी अ मंथ बिफोर because many lectures have been cancelled. Do you remember each and everything? Shall I ask you the question then? Yes, you are going to write the questions. Huh? I am going to wait. No screenshots. Directly write the question. Your question number one is in which year was Orissa hit by a cyclone? Write your question and then write answer in the chat box. In which year was Orissa hit by a cyclone? क्वेश्चन लिहा आणि नंतर चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये आन्सर लिहा. आय एम गोइंग टू चेक द बुक्स. यू कॅन हॅव द ऑप्शन्स. आन्सर डायरेक्ट लिहू शकता तुम्ही. ऑप्शन्स लिहिण्याची गरज नाही बट यू हॅव टू राईट द क्वेश्चन कारण रीड करताना डायरेक्ट आन्सर इज इम्पॉर्टंट. The answer is 1999. Orissa, I am asking. Orissa. Got? Write the answer over there where you have written the question. Please write the answer very neatly and cleanly. Anagha, you have been done? Yours is done? Shall I move to the next question then? Yes, okay. Your question number 2 is leaves of trees, banners, or flag flutter when wind is blowing. Why? Write the question and then write the answer in chat box. Before writing in your notebook the answer, please get confirmed from me. Leaves of trees, banner or flags flutter when wind is blowing. झाडांची पाने, बॅनर आणि झेंडे हे हवा वाहत असताना फ्लटर होतात का? Your options are air occupies the space. हवा जागा व्यापून घेते. Air is a mixture of gases. हवा हे वायूंचं मिश्रण आहे. Air exerts pressure. हवा दाब टाकते बल्ब हवेला बल्ब आहे and air is colorless. हवा colorless आहे. Option C is the right answer. Very good, Rashti. You can write the answer. After completing, write it in the chat box. Huh? Done or completed. Anugha, what about you? Okay. Question number 3. When we blow over a paper strip, it goes upward as shown in the figure given below. Why? Your options are blowing over the paper reduces the air pressure above the strip. Then blowing over the paper increases the air pressure above the strip. None of this is correct reason. The strip will not go upward at all. What will be the right answer? Write question and then write option name or number. Yes, option A will be the right answer. Yes, good. Right answer. Answer liha and please let me know when you get completed. Done? Okay. Next. Following are precautions one must take in case a storm is accompanied by lightning. Do not take shelter under a tree. Do not take shelter under an umbrella with a metallic end. Do not take shelter in open garages, storage sheds, etc. And do not take shelter in a bus in the open. Which one of these is not correct? Which one of these is not correct? Option 4. Yes. That is, do not take shelter in bus in the open. Which one? Yes. Write it. Done. Rajdeep, yours turn. Okay. Question number 5 is which of the following places is most likely to be affected by a cyclone? Mumbai, Puri, Goa, Porbandar. Most likely to be affected, जिथे सायक्लॉन सतत येत राहतात. मुंबई, पुरी, गोवा, पोरबंदर. Yes. You didn't get the question. Question is जिथे सायक्लॉन सतत येत राहतात. Yes, Anagha is right. It's Puri. It's B Puri. Rajdeep, the question was the place is most likely to be affected. म्हणजे cyclones जिथे सतत येत राहतात. Mumbai is not the place, right? Puri is the right answer. If done, then let me know. Yes, done. Okay. Question number 6 is a fire alarm usually detects smoke in case of fire. Where should such an alarm be placed in a room? Near the door, on the floor, on any wall, on the ceiling. फायर अलार्म स्मोक डिटेक्ट करतो आणि एखाद्या ठिकाणी आग लागली आहे ते ओळखतो. मग असा अलार्म कुठे लावायला हवा? इट शुड बी नियर द डोअर, दरवाजाजवळ, ऑन द फ्लोअर, जमिनीवर, ऑन एनी वॉल, कोणत्याही भिंतीवर, ऑर ऑन द सिलिंग, रूफ, सिलिंगवर, छपरावर. छप्पर वी कॅन से छप्पर, रूफ नॉट, आपल्या घरात आपल्या डोक्यावर असणारी सिलिंग यावर, घरात किंवा कुठेही जिथे जिथे आग लागू शकते. सांगा कुठे असायला हवं? इट्स अ NCERT क्वेश्चन. Where this alarm should be placed? Remember, it is detecting the smoke. Option D is the right answer. It should be on the ceiling. Why, Rajdeep? Can you tell the reason? Yes, unmute yourself.
Because when there is fire in the house, the smoke flows upwards.
Yes. Yes, very good. The smoke will go upward and the fire alarm can easily detect the smoke. Have you completed writing, both of you? Yes, okay. Your question number 7 is the winds from oceans carry water and bring rain. These winds are called typhoon, monsoon, cyclone, none of this. असे वारे जे समुद्राकडून वाहतात आणि त्यामुळे पाऊस पडतो. अशा वाऱ्यांना टायफून म्हणायचं, मॉन्सून म्हणायचं, सायक्लॉन म्हणायचं की नन ऑफ दिस? Write the question, write your answer in the chat box and then make it clear. The winds from oceans carry water and bring rain. These winds are called typhoon, monsoon, cyclone, or none of this. These winds are called monsoon. Very good, Rajdeep. You can write the answer. It's monsoon. Yes, Anaka, it's monsoon. Okay, done. Then question number 8 is what is cyclone? Here they have asked us the definition of cyclone. Winds from the ocean carrying water. B is very low pressure system with very high speed winds revolving around it. C is dark funnel shaped cloud that reaches from the sky to the ground, and none of this. For this, just write in the yes, option B. Yes, option B. That is very low pressure system with very high speed. Yes. And what is that? This option number C for C कशासाठी असणार मग? The dark funnel shaped cloud that reaches from the sky to the ground. It should be for tornado. Very good. Yeah, yes. Writing is done for this one. Eighth one. Answer लिहिलं का? It's very low pressure system with very high speed winds revolving around it. When you get it done, please let me know. Yes, okay. Then question number 9 is pick the odd one out. Pick the odd one out. Cyclone, hurricane, monsoon, and typhoon. Monsoon is the right answer. Why? Why? Who will tell me why monsoon is the right answer? Yeah, but no, it's a not types of cyclones. They are the natural calamities, and monsoon is not the calamities. We need it, right? Other बाकीच्या काय आहेत? आपत्ती आहेत. Yes. And your last question, that is question number 10 is a cyclone warning can be issued 48 hours in advance, 12 hours in advance, 6 hours in advance, and 24 hours in advance. When the cyclone warning can be issued? It's option D, right? 24 hours in advance. Yes. Write the questions. Done. Rajdeep, yours is done. Okay. Yes. Now here are some questions for you that you are going to solve. See, कॉलम ए अँड बी आहे. तुम्हाला मॅच करायचं आहे. ओके, सी कॉलम ए विंड, कॉलम ए वन इज विंड, सेकंड इज monsoon, थर्ड इज thunderstorm, fourth one is cyclone, fifth one is tornado, sixth one is anemometer. Column B is containing dark funnel-shaped cloud, very low pressure system with very high speed winds revolving around it, then measures the speed of the wind, develops in India very frequently, moving air, winds carrying water. Okay, so column A, wind. Wind will be a pair with E, moving air. Yes, good. Monsoon, winds carrying water. Thunderstorm, thunderstorm, then cyclone. Yes. Tornado. What happened, Anaga? Anemometer. Wait, just the speed of it. Got it? For this, just take a screenshot of this. No need to write. Take a screenshot of this. Done? Shall we move to the next? Okay, so I'll be posting this on the this Google Classroom. Okay, the fill in the blanks are there. Moving dash dash is called wind. Write your answer in the chat box. Air. Yes. Air contracts on heating and expands. Oh, sorry. The answer is given and expands on cooling. Then third is increased wind speed is accompanied by dash dash air pressure. Increased wind speed, lower or reduced. Okay. increased वापरलाय त्यामुळे रिड्युस्ड हे आन्सर असायला पाहिजे. हायचा अपोजिट लो लिहितो आपण. ओके, हायर असतं तर लोवर वापरा तिथे. फोर्थ इज द वार्म एअर इज डॅश डॅश दॅन कोल्ड एअर. The warm air is dash dash than cold air. No density, but in the form of answer should be the warm air is lighter than cold air. Okay. Then wind currents are generated due to dash dash heating on earth. Wind currents are generated due to dash dash heating on earth. Uneven. Yes. Very pressure system with very dash dash speed winds revolving around it is called cyclone. Very dash dash pressure, huh? The dash is not mentioned there. Very dash dash pressure system with very low pressure system with very high speed winds. Okay. Seventh is a dark funnel shaped dash dash that reaches from the sky to the ground is called a tornado. Tornado is given. कशाला म्हणायचं टोर्नॅडो अ डार्क फनेल शेप डॅश डॅश रिकामी जागा कुठे विचारली आहे पहा काय असतो तो फनेल शेप ज्याला आपण टोर्नॅडो म्हणतो काय जातं क्लाउड that is a cloud a dark funnel shaped cloud that reaches from the sky to the ground is called tornado. Dash dash and dash dash have made possible to issue a cyclone alert that is 48 hours in advance. कशामुळे पॉसिबल झालाय we have learned this. Yes? No. Meteorological department will be only one thing. Two options are required. No. Technology. Yes, technology, but which technology? No. कशामुळे पॉसिबल झालंय काय पाठवतो आपण आकाशामध्ये satellites and radars. Satellites and radars have made possible to issue a cyclone alert that is 48 hours in advance. I'm going to post all these questions the which you have not written, that is the fill in the blanks, the match the following, and this true or false on the Google Classroom. Okay, please write them in your notebooks. Then choose the true and false statement from the following. Air around us exert pressure. True. Air contracts on heating and expand on cooling. True or false? False. It expands on heating. As cool air rises, air pressure at that place is reduced and the warmer air moves to that place. True or false? False. Cause the cool air doesn't rise. The warm air get rises in. Then fourth one is winds carrying water vapor bring rains. Yes, true or false? Winds carrying water vapor bring rains. True. High speed winds and pressure differences can cause cyclone. High speed winds and air pressure differences can cause cyclone. True. Cyclones are beneficial to the people living in the coastal areas. Cyclones are beneficial to the people living in coastal areas. False. Tornadoes are very frequent in our country. False. It has become easier to monitor cyclone with help of advanced technology like satellite and radars. True. Okay. So all the questions and answers have been understood. Yes. Any doubts? At least today we have done with our topic. Okay. So show me the books that you have written those options wale questions, and then the question number next question, that was the match the following, your that fill in the blanks, and your true or false will be posted on our Google Classroom. So just show me the book. Rajdeep, show me the book. Yes, it's very good. Anaga, show me the book. Yes, okay, good. Okay, so you, if no doubts are there, you can leave the class. Your homework will be posted on Google Classroom. Bye bye. Join the next class for the grammar. Bye. Bye bye.